Hey, what's up, fellas? Yes, it's me. Do you think working from home in tech is only for young people with the coding skills? Think again. If you are in your 40s or 50s and you dream of a remote tech career but have zero IT experience, this video is for you. Today, I'm answering top 10 questions people over 40 ask about remote tech jobs. By the end of this video, you will know which jobs are realistic, which skills do you actually need, and how to confidently start your journey into remote work in tech. I've seen people in their 40s or even 50s land their first remote roles in under a year, and you can too. So are you ready for this? Let's dig. Question number 1. Am I too old to get a remote tech job? You're absolutely not too old. Companies hiring remote workers care about reliability, communications, and problem solving. All qualities tend to get stronger with age and experience. Remote work is about results, not age. If you can show that you can do the job, employers will not care whether you're 25 or 55. Question number 2. Do I need to know coding for a remote job? The good news is no. You don't need to be a coder to land a remote tech job. Many remote IT roles like IT support, technical recruiting, data analyst, and cloud support don't require coding at all. If you do need some technical knowledge, it's usually basic tools or scripting, not the deep software development. You can learn those skills gradually while still being qualified for good remote opportunities. Question number 3. Which remote-friendly tech jobs are realistic for beginner over 40? Those jobs would be IT support or help desk, cloud support engineer, data analyst, technical recruiter in IT, or customer success or technical account manager. Question number 4. Do I need IT certifications to get a remote IT job? Certifications aren't always required, but they do make a big difference, especially when you're just starting out. Beginner-friendly certifications like CompTIA A+ or Google IT support certification or Google Data Analytics certification give you structured learning and something concrete to put on your resume. If you're interested in cloud roles, AWS Cloud Practitioner or Azure Fundamentals AZ900 are also excellent starting points. These credentials show employers that you're serious and you have put in some work. Question number 5. How do I get hands-on experience if I'm not hired yet? Guys, there are plenty of ways to get practical experience without waiting for a job offer. You can simply build a home lab to practice IT skills. Use platforms like TryHackMe or Coursera projects, or even volunteer your tech support for nonprofits or local businesses. Every project you complete is a proof of your ability, and when you post about these projects on LinkedIn, you give employers something real to see beyond just the certifications. Question number 6. How long does it take to land your first remote IT job? Most people can expect a journey 9 to 12 months of consistent learning, hands-on practice, and applying to jobs. Some people start directly in remote roles, but for many, your first job is usually on-site. Guys, don't be discouraged by that. Once you have gained enough experience under your belt, remote opportunities will open up much more quickly. Question number 7. Can I land my first tech job fully remote? It's possible, but it's less common. Employers often prefer beginners to work on-site at first so they can be trained and supported more closely. However, after a year or two, remote roles become much more realistic. But your goal should be to focus on getting that first role, whether it's on-site or remote, because it will act as a stepping stone towards remote work. Question number 8. What salary can I expect in remote beginner tech jobs? Let me show you a ballpark of what salaries you can expect as a remote worker in IT. number 9. What challenges do beginners face in remote tech work? One of the biggest challenge is learning how to manage yourself when no one is looking over your shoulder. Guys, you will need discipline and consistency to succeed. Another challenge is keeping your skills current. Guys, technology is changing quickly. I've been working in this field for a long time, but I learn something new every day. So you will have to commit to ongoing learning. And of course, you need to be cautious about scams. There are fake job postings out there that ask for training fees or your personal information. Guys, always research before applying. Make sure this ad is legit or stay away from it. Question number 10. What are the biggest mistakes people over 40 make when going remote? The first mistake is focusing only on the remote part and not building the skills first. Employers don't care where you're located unless you can actually do the job. Another mistake is relying only on certifications without any projects or home lab. Guys, certifications do help, but employers want proof of real ability. And finally, not networking is a huge missed opportunity. Many remote jobs are filled through referrals or LinkedIn connections, not just job boards. In the end, this is what I want to say to you. Remote tech jobs are real, and people over 40 are landing them every single day. The truth is, you don't need to be the youngest, the fastest, or the most technical person in the room. You just need to be consistent, reliable, and willing to learn. Those are the qualities you already have from your past career and life experience. Remember this, the first job is the hardest one. Once you get that first role, whether it's IT support or data analyst, or even an on-site position, it becomes your launch pad into remote work. Every skill you learn, every project you complete, every connection you make brings you closer to the lifestyle you want. So don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Age is not your weakness. It's your strength. You bring perspective, discipline, and problem-solving skills that younger candidates often lack. Tech is one of the few industries where you can reinvent yourself at any age. And remote work makes that opportunity even bigger. So that's it, folks. I hope this video made everything clear for you. If you like this content, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more IT beginner-friendly videos. Until next time, take care of yourself and others, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.